tutorial. All right, let me go live there. And let me share the links to a couple groups, and then we'll start the session. Let me share some links to the group. So basically today, we're going to be going over Shrimpy. Shrimpy is a cryptocurrency trading bot. Basically what it does is very simple. It literally copies everything that your leader trader does, right? So let me send these links to a couple groups here, and we'll get it started. Copy and paste this one. Copy and paste that. Facebook Live. All right, cool. All right, so let's go over what Shrimpy is, right? So if you go to shrimpy.io here, make sure you use my referral so we can get both get $30 as well, right? So basically, it's a platform where you can follow different traders, right? And it will make the exact moves as those individual traders. Is fully automated, and I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. And it literally just copy and paste every single moves that the trader that you follow makes, right? And it's super secure too. All you got to do is link the API to Binance. And we're going to go over on how to set up Binance and Shrimpy and all that as well. So this is the social part. The leader that I'm currently following is GVINTO, and he's been doing pretty well. So let's go over how to set it up here. So the first thing you need to do is obviously signing up on Shrimpy. Shrimpy is is a paid platform. It's only $20 a month, and it's already, you know, giving me profits. So really, just gotta click this link, sign up on here with your information. So I already signed up, obviously, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in here into Shrimpy. And let me see here. So we're gonna go like that, and let me see here. I'm not a robot, and we logged in. Saves the password, Shrimpy. So I'm gonna show you my dashboard as well over here. So I put in, oh wow, yeah, we're already up a lot. So I put in a couple days ago about 2 ethers, so that was around like 1,800, so $3,600, and I tossed in another 10, and literally, so when you put money in, it's gonna liquidate everything, and it's gonna copy the trader's profile to the exact amount here. So let me actually send this to another group. So this blew up quite a bit. This blew up quite a bit, so that's why I'm doing this live video. I'm just getting a ton of message, and it's just like, oh no, my post got removed. Rip. Sorry. So I'm just gonna post on there. Let me see here. So I'm gonna reply to these guys real quick that needs help. So they can follow along, because instead of messaging, you know, hundreds of people, I'm going to just, you know, link them the link to the Facebook Live, so that way they can just follow along here, you know. All right, so we should be good. Actually, one more one more group right here, Crypto University. If you haven't joined yet, good place to join. We've been around since 2017, so it's pretty good. Pretty good, not too shabby. Okay, all right, moving on. So so I sent some funds over. As you can see, the timeline here, I started this like a couple days ago, and it's already made amazing gains. And you might ask, what am I gaining from this? Well, obviously, if you use my referral links, I'll get some some kickbacks on there. But other than that, you know, just showing you the what Shrimpy is, and just basically just promoting cryptocurrency as a whole. So first step, signing up right here, right? And when you sign up, again, there's a $20 a month fee. I mean, it's very minimal, and you can select the payment here. It's only, subscription is only $19, actually, not even $20, so you can get that started. So once you sign up, you're good to go. And the next thing you're gonna need to sign up is on Binance, because the leader is using Binance. So you would need to move your funds over. That way, let me see if anyone's commenting. That way you can start trading on this, right? So pretty straightforward. The guy uses Binance, and basically in order to follow, you need to be on Binance as well. And if you're in the US, you're gonna need to use a VPN. Any VPN works, but the most simple VPN, the simplest VPN that I use is going to be Hola. Hola VPN is free. It gives you an hour at a time, which is more than enough for Binance stuff. So you need to get Firefox. I'm on Firefox, and you need to get this right here for Shrimpy, right? And the safest way is to open up your private window here and load up Hola. Actually, I should be okay. I just don't want to get flagged that I'm in the US, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do Hola right now, and I'm going to do Binance. Let me see. I don't think it's showing on here. Usually I just go to Binance, and then hopefully I'm still not logged in, because they'll flag my. Okay, that's good. So I'm not logged in right here. So a little more time right here. So it's totally free, right there. And then now now it starts, right? Hola. So it's does it automatically. You can pay for the premium, but why not? It gives you an hour for free. So I logged in using Canada VPN right here. So I'm just gonna refresh it real quick. Just make sure I'm still using sometimes sometimes I get a little bit okay, so we should be good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and log into my Binance account here. Go ahead and do that. All right. And I need to put in my 2-factor. So I don't have a lot of money on here. Well, perspective, but put in my authenticator. Whoops, wrong copy and paste there. I'm just gonna type it out. 43659. Submit. Okay, so this is my Binance account. So again, like I already linked this. So again, first step, sign up for Shrimpy, get Hola, change your VPN to Canada so you can log into Binance. Sign up on Binance, click my link. And then the next thing you're gonna need to move is your go into your wallet, and you're going to deposit whatever cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter what cryptocurrency that you are depositing in. Literally, you could deposit in BTC, some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, anything like that, and it'll still work. You could literally send like XML, ADA, or anything, and the bot is just going to convert it into Binance USD, right? And I'll show you a little history over there. So you do that. So you're gonna deposit, right? And as you can see, I deposited two the other day, and then 10 more yesterday. So I've been using this for a couple of days now, give or take. So yeah, you're gonna deposit that into there. So once you're good on here, once you're good and depositing your funds, that's move number 4. What you're going to do is let me see here. Oh, whoa. I didn't even see the comments on here. Link, please. All right, let me just real quick make the copy and paste real quick the instruction to the people. I didn't realize people were commenting. Should get on that. All right, so I just updated the video. Don't want to hear my voice. Do that right there. All right, let's continue. So move funds to Binance. You're gonna move it. If you're BTC, send it to the wallet, right? If you're Ethereum, send it to Ethereum. So any of these would work, obviously. And then once you've done that, what you need to do is you're gonna set up the API. You're gonna generate the API. you're gonna generate the API on Binance, right? So right here, you're gonna go here, top right, go to API management, and you're going to generate API right here, right? So I have a for Shrimpy right here, my secret key, don't ever give anyone out. These are my settings, right? What you need to do is only enable reading and enable spot and margin trading. That's all, right? Don't enable withdrawal. If you enable withdrawal, there's could be a chance that someone else that gets into this, they're going to steal your cryptocurrency. So you don't want that, okay? So only enable these two. And it's pretty easy. Again, all you got to do is generate API, put in Shrimpy. I'll do it for Shrimpy 2.0. And just basically go through it with you real quick on how to generate API. Just create API, of course, Shrimpy 2Y. Create API, and then put in your security, and then it's gonna spit back right here. It's gonna give you the API key and the secret key, right? And what you need to do is once you link, in order to link that, once you generate the API, you're gonna go back to Shrimpy now, and you are going to go to settings. And you're going to go to general, where's your API? Exchange. And then you're going to hit Binance. Not Binance US, right? It's just regular Binance because remember, our leader is only on Binance. The regular Binance, not the Binance US. And you are going to select that. Put in, copy and paste in your API key right here. Just copy and paste that. And obviously your secret here, when you create the API, it's going to tell you your API secret. So then go ahead and copy and paste in there and then hit link exchange. You can link other exchanges as well. Gemini, Binance, I have these two linked, and they have Bittrex, KuCoins, Coinbase Pro, and all of that, right? So once you've linked your Binance API to Shrimpy, you're gonna need to go follow the leader, right? So you're gonna go to social tab right here, and you are going to go to and follow GVINTO right here. Yes, you can see Shane. You can see the history of the trader here. So this is his history here. It looks like he started trading about a month or two ago. So he has some nice gains. So this is 1 day performance up 22%, 1 week up 69%, 1 month up 649. So he's been doing pretty well, you know. So he's been trading for about a month or so. Actually, let me see when he started. Yeah, so he started last week. So but he's been blowing up. I've been, you know, once I found out about Shrimpy, I think he had like 300 followers. Now he's up to like 800 followers. So this is a follower. You know, again, go to social, click on GVINTO, and then you're gonna go to his history. So literally, the bot, what it does is it copies exactly what is done, right? So he was active about an hour ago. He sold these and bought these right here. So it's pretty cool, right? So as you can see, you could follow, and you could go and look right now. You don't have to sign up. Obviously, if you do sign up, use my referral code. We both get like $30 on it. And you could see right now, if you go to shrimpy.io, and you can see under this guy, he's doing pretty well. So literally, all the bot does is it copies 100% to the T of whatever it is that whoever it is that you're following, right? So he makes all these moves here, and it's very detailed. It tells you exactly what he buys. So the coins I've been picking, you know, read his little profile here as well. Why he picks these coins. So it looks like he does a lot of research. Obviously, everything here, you know, this is not financial advice or anything. Obviously, do your own research. You know, but it's pretty legitimate so far. So I'm definitely going to toss in more money on here. So all these, he has all his coins that he's buying on here. He lists them for you, and you could do your own research. And then that way you can know more and learn more about the coin and what it is that's trading. So you're not, you know, going in fully blind. He also keeps under a journal tab, keeps updates as far as like, you know, basically like a blog of what he's currently doing. And you could go through it, comments and stuff like that. And also has like a group chat up here too. So you could follow like all these chats in here. So it's a pretty cool system for $19 a month. Like I already made my profits and way more, right? So I'm going to show you my dashboard again here. So again, I put in So like just a day or so ago. So I'm already up $4,800 just from putting in some money here. So if it keeps, working well, I'm gonna, up my game. I'm thinking I'm just gonna 10x it, and then we're gonna take it from there. So mostly he's been buying like Pancake Venus. So these two and Binance Coin is exploding because like Binance Smart Chain has been doing phenomenal right now. They have thousands of developer, and obviously they're trying to compete with Ethereum. And if you know me, I'm super huge with Ethereum, so that way, it's good to diversify, but it's good for the entire crypto economy as well. So you could go scroll down and see this is the entire portfolio here. Under automation here, I'm following GVINTO again, and this is that's all you have to do is literally hit follow. And that's it. And that's step number 6. Follow the leader. And that's it. And then the bot does everything else. You literally don't have to do anything else. And then you could go like to trading as well. You could trade it because obviously you're linked the API to Shrimpy, so you could trade manually. But if you're currently following the leader, you can't manually trade, right? So it's good that it has it here, but you could essentially follow your gains and stuff here. So nice gains throughout. Everything's green currently, so we're expecting a little dip, but right now is a good time to essentially move in some funds just so like they could liquidate up top and like try to get in, or you could wait for the dip and then transfer in some funds. If you obviously like if you have like Ethereum or Bitcoin, those two big ones, liquidate it into USC if you're expecting a dip, and then that way you can just send USD coin to Binance, and then convert automatically for you into all your other cryptocurrency here, right? So we covered social. Let's go back to the social here as well. So this is a 1 month performance. So he's currently on top, this guy GVINTO, and then the next one is like 200% down for the 1 month, and it's in terms of followers. Like this guy like just beats everyone else on followers as well right here. 824 versus the next high is up only 147. So he's doing something right, so it's pretty good. So you could obviously pick other traders as well to follow. You could follow multiple traders as well, right? So I'm following Binance, and then if I want to dabble in like Coinbase Pro, I'll follow this guy, but it doesn't look like he's doing pretty well. So Coinbase Pro, a lot of people are just Binance here, right? And then there's KuCoins, and then there's, I believe, this Kraken right there. There's a bunch of people you can follow, but this guy I definitely recommend, to follow. And then here, lastly, is the history of all the trades here. Looks like he just sold some BTT, bought more Binance here. So this does it automatically. This is set it and forget it. You wake up and hopefully there's more money. And again, like with anything, don't invest more than what you're willing to lose. Not financial advice. What works for me might not work for you, but so far it's working pretty well for me. And if you've been following me, I try to keep everything transparent as best as I can. And if you still need help after this video, just let me know. Send me a DM, and if you still don't get it and still can't follow the instructions, I will set it up for you for 0.1 ETH. Just 0.1. It's about $200 right now, 190. So if you want to pay me that much, I'll definitely. What I can do is I can log in and remote access your computer and set everything up for you step by step, so you can see it right in front of me. And then yeah, that's basically it. So again, just a quick recap: sign up on Shrimpy. Get Hola the VPN, and sign up on Binance, move the funds to Binance, link Binance API to Shrimpy, and follow the leader GVINTO here on Binance, and then you're good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Sounds good. Perfect. Bye.